Everyone, Asad here from EXTNIX. Today we are upgrading this Toyota RAV4 with factory JBL sound system. Unfortunately, the factory head unit has died. It is now in this infinite boot loop and it is not working at all. So we are going to install a brand new system with a 9-inch QLED screen, with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We will get the factory reverse camera working and factory JBL sound system working as well. So stay tuned. So first thing first, how we are going to take out the factory head unit. Very easy to do that. We have to take the trim panel off from here, then left air vent, right air vent, and basically the head unit is held by 10 mm bolts. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to start from the left hand side. These are just the clips. So using the trim removal tool, you can use any trim removal tool from here and just pull out slightly, and there we go. So this whole thing is out. As you can see, it just have clips. All right, going to put this one back. All right, now the air vents, left and right side. Let's start from here. There we go, that's up, and it's all clips as well, as you can see. There you go, left air went out. We're gonna try the right one. There's done. That's done. Now, all right, so I think we have to take the trip computer off as well. Again, clips here, clip there, simply push it out, and this whole thing, you don't even have to disconnect it, just move it up. So we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 10 mm bolts, which we are going to use our drill to take them out. That's done. All right, so I will have to hold the bolt, so I'm just gonna put the camera down for a second. All right, so the bolts are out. All now the head unit is held with a couple of so that's done. We're gonna pull it out, and there are all the cables at the back. All right, so the first one on the top is your radio antenna, then your USB at the very back, couple of the things for DAB and the factory GPS, your reverse trigger and amp control, your reverse cable, as well as the main power cable. So we're going to take those cable out. If you just press the clips down, so for example this one, this is a clip, just wiggle it, move it, wiggle, there you go. And same way, so I'm just gonna remove them. All right, so that's the factory head unit, which is the JBL one. This is the back of the head unit. So we have the main power and front speakers, we got the rear speakers, we got the reverse camera, trigger wires, amp controls, amp turn on and everything. We have the GPS antenna, and the other one is the DAB antenna. Both will not be retained. Then we have the radio, and we have the factory USB port. All right, the only thing that we're going to take out from this specific unit is going to be the clips on each side for the new one. All right, over here, let's look at the wiring. Very easy. This is the radio antenna for Toyota. On these specific models, these two cables will not be used. We'll tape them up. This is for the factory USB. For the rear channels, now this is a JBL one, so that's why you see a different wiring. If it is a standard one, you will see more wires on this specific connector. You will have main power and the front speakers connector, your reverse camera, and this is the other trigger. All right, so now we're gonna get our wiring and we're gonna connect to it. All right guys, so the wiring is now connected, the USB port. This is this. We got the harness connected for the steering wheel controls, as well as the reverse trigger. That is for the reverse camera cable, which you can see it's marked. Radio, front speaker powers, and other cables. are connected for the rear channel. So as you can see, if the car had the standard system non JBL, then on this end you would see more cable for the rear speakers as well, but the JBL amp runs differently. We have patch up the other cables which won't be used. So yeah, we are almost ready to run the other wiring for the GPS antenna and 4G antenna, as well as microphone and few other things. Alright guys, so the unit is ready to go in. So just to run you through what cable goes where. So you have your radio antenna here, GPS antenna here, 4G antenna here. Now looking at the other connectors, your reverse camera goes here, USB 2, USB 1, CAN bus module if your car has, and then auxiliary cables connection including microphone connectivity will go here. This one will remain as it is, and your main power is gonna go over here. So I'm just gonna connect it back to the unit and we will take it from there. Alright guys, so the upgrade is now complete. As you can see, we have updated from the Toyota factory JBL to the aftermarket head unit from EXTNIX, that is from us. And the steering wheel controls are working. The reverse camera, I will just turn off, and you can see the reverse camera is working as well with the moving lines. CarPlay, it's up. There you go. So everything seems good. So yeah, very good and easy install, as you can see, and perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and if you have to order, please remember it's www.extnix.com.au, or give us a call on 1300 096 212. Thanks again. Bye.